Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. If this is your first time coming across to my page, my channel, my kitchen, my name is Amaka, okay? And you are welcome to my kitchen. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix the fried rice, which is what we are doing today. Okay, sorry I've started this a bit earlier. I'll still do a proper video and show you guys how to make this from the start to the finish. In fact, I have several videos on how to make fried rice, but just sit back, relax, okay, and watch me make this. I've gone ahead to cook my the rice, and I've also fried the meat we are going to be using. Okay, I'm using beef, and I'm using, I think, gizzard, which I've fried already. So now I'm frying the prawns, and now I'm adding the mixed peppers. Okay, so go ahead and add any quantity you want depending on the rice you are making. I always say that add your quantity of your ingredients depending on the rice or on the whatever you're making. Okay, so this is carrot you saw me adding. They've been chopped already. This is green beans, corn, and I think I added some broad beans as well. Yeah, and yeah, I'm just adding the remaining green beans and some carrots as well. Okay, so and what am I adding next? None. So I'm just going to mix everything, just mix to combine, mix. Okay, so add some curry, just some seasonings, your spices. Just make sure you add enough seasonings. Okay, so I added 2 Maggi cubes. Okay, all right, so after adding the Maggi seasonings, you want to go ahead and stir this again and allow this to cook slash fry. Okay, here I added some fresh habanero pepper. Okay, so give this a stir as well. Stir. You want to go ahead and reduce your temperature, add depending, because we don't want this to cook to tender. We want the fried rice to still remain as fresh as. Okay, so we are cooking this like just kind of half done. All right, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to grab my the pot, and we are just going to start mixing. Okay, all right, increase your temperature a little bit, not too much, and stir the rice, mix everything together, make sure it's beautifully combined really well. Then transfer your mixed veggies, and you want to go ahead and mix them properly. So as you're mixing, you're adding. So now I'm just adding the meats I fried earlier. Okay, so you want to add and mix. Okay, oh, this is good. All right, this is so good, so good. All right, so I'm just adding the remaining one and mixing as well, guys. So the aroma in this kitchen is just everywhere. Okay, and yeah, as you can see, I'm mixing and I'm adding. Okay, so I'm just gonna test. Good. However, I think I needed to add a bit of salt. Okay, and one no cube. Okay, you want to stir together. Oh, this is good. Test again, make sure everything is good. And oh my goodness, I like fried rice. Okay, but yeah, I think I tested the last time and it's just awesome. Look at that. This is patty fried rice. It's so good. All right, my lovelies, please leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this rice, this yummy rice. Okay, all right, that is it. That is just it. And this is the chicken and some of the beef we made as well. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Remain blessed, remain beautiful, and I love you all. Don't forget to share my videos, share. Bye bye, and happy weekend. Bye bye guys.